Hello viewers, welcome to Simply Forex. Today's presentation will be discussing about the trend line in Forex Trade. What is trend line? Trend line is a line drawn to determine the price movement. It's a line drawn to determine the market structure. So we have downtrend line, we have uptrend line, and we have horizontal trend line, trend line. So for example now, we have a candle that is moving downward. Let's say we have a candle moving downward like this. Let's say we have a candle moving downward like this. Let me delete this. Let's say we have a candle moving downward like this. Like this. So if you want to draw a trend like this, line like this, is the candle is moving downward, so we are drawing a downtrend. So to draw a trend line now, we look for, can draw our trend line like this. So it will touch, you can draw it from body to body or wick to wick. This is our trend line, as you can see from the screen. So this is our trend line now. Trend line. Downtrend line. Downtrend. Downtrend line. The downtrend line. So we also have the uptrend line. So if a candle is moving upward like this, so we can draw a downtrend. I can draw an uptrend line. Sorry, don't mind my drawing. An uptrend line like this. An uptrend line. Yeah, like this. So that is up. This is uptrend line. This is uptrend line. Uptrend line. Uptrend line. And we also have horizontal line. So if our candle is moving like this, so you can draw an horizontal line like this. So this horizontal line, trend line, horizontal, horizontal trend line. So the importance of trend line is that it is used to determine the market structure. You can use it to determine the movement of the market, the movement of the candle. So let's quickly go to trade view. So these are our trade view charts, Euro USD chart, as you can see from the screen. Here now we have, this is horizontal trend line. This is horizontal trend line. This is how to draw horizontal trend line. This is downtrend. The market is moving downward. This is down trend line. This is downtrend line, as you can see here. This is downtrend line. So let's scroll. As you can see, this one now, this is uptrend line. Uptrend line here. This is uptrend line. You can see from the screen. So let's scroll again to check. Take a look at this now. This uptrend line. The market is moving upward. So we can draw our uptrend line like this. So this is downtrend line. This is downtrend line. This is downtrend line. This is downtrend line. So this will be the end of this presentation. In our next presentation, we'll be discussing about how to use this trend line to determine the market structure. How we can use the trend line to determine the movement of our candle, the movement of the candle. So I think this is all for today. So in our next lecture, in our next presentation, we use this downtrend to determine the market structure.